All right, so let's go in and using a little magic wand, because this will really change absolutely crystal placement, so you will never have to worry about your crystal is gonna coming off or catching on the client's hair or their nails or their clothes. So I'm gonna do some little exam first. It's just like really like be careful around, and then I don't each time I squeeze out, you see that my motion, but I squeeze just a little bit, just that much. You don't need a whole lot, just a little go a long way, and it will help so much. Great. So just in case, tip and trick, just in case, can you wipe this off? You apply a little bit more than usual, so you can using a twin tip brush. I'm always sharing it, going back and forth, talking the same techniques, because just in case you are just tuning or first time tuning in with Glitz accessory and such, just welcome. And I am going to blend this extra precision glue, so then when I cure it, it's not gonna looks lumpy and bumpy at all. Cure for 60 seconds. Just my other phone so I can answer. I'll probably be doing the same thing next year. What are you doing next year?
Okay, 2 minutes left.
Yeah, so I am going to be end on Facebook. I'm sorry, Facebook is still on, but on Instagram, can you please come right back to me? I'm waiting over here because the Instagram gonna end in like 1 minute. So I will be right back, okay? This nails is completely done.